What broke?
It just dropped.
I heard it.
Broke.
What's
Said the next tape broke.
Not the tape.
In the break,
Yeah.
right? Monkey says the tape's broke.
Yeah.
Do something about it.
We need this. It gives the story sort of ambience and atmosphere. And
We had one of them in our road the other day. An ambulance.
what can we do? What can we do?
I'll come find something.
Can you do something? Okay, make do. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd just like to tell you a little story of something that happened to me a few weeks ago.
Not yet.
When I went to visit Aunt Agatha's ancient manor house, deep in the country.
Really deep.
Very deep in the country. Ancient Agatha's Aunt Manor House. Are you ready?
No.
Very, very deep in the country was Agatha's Manor Aunt. Are you ready? Very deep is Aunt Agatha's house, which is...
Okay, shit.
Right. The train whistled as it made its way along the tracks. I've been invited to Aunt Agatha's manor house, deep in the country. The train rattled into the station. I stepped out onto the platform as the engine groaned.
Ooh.
Leaving me at the deserted station. All of a sudden, the old station master appeared, as if from nowhere, as he shuffled his way across the platform. Shuffled. I asked him the way to the old manor house, and he pointed to the top of the hill, shrouded in the mist.
Mist.
As I made my way along the lane, a car flew by, nearly bumping into me. So I decided to take the bridle path. The one used by horses.
Night, Mr. Wilkes.
And a shortcut through the farmyard. In the dark, I tripped over the ducks. A flock of geese.
I don't do geese.
What animals have you got?
Ducks.
You only do ducks.
We only do ducks.
Over the far side.
Far side.
The far side.
Far side of
From
Jim.
Sweden. Pulling the heavy carts was Dobbin, the old cart duck. And in the milking parlour, the maid was milking Daisy the duck, being watched by Rover the sheepdog. As I climbed the hill, the wind dropped watches. You just had to. I reached the old house and walked up the gravel path. And did a little tap dance. I rang the doorbell. I knocked on the knocker. I slowly opened the large front door, its hinges creaking. I stepped inside the dark hallway. In the distance, the church clock chimed. 2 o'clock. There was an echo. A delayed echo. In the distance, on the treetops, an owl hooted. A duck. The trees brushed against the window. I went over and put the radio on. What music is that? Slave? Then, in the darkness, I heard a rapping on the bedroom door. Okay, Mum. So I reached over, picked up the phone, and dialed.
Can you answer that phone, please?
Yo, man, you're live on Skyline. Do you know the music, please?
Who's that?
Tell you what, you're copyrighted to Jamaica.
Can I just say, this isn't part of the show. Just the thing was a smart one tonight. Well, anyway, what's your name?
Matt.
Matt. Matt what?
Kendall.
Kendall. Have you got a middle name?
No.
No. Right, okay. Where do you live, Matt?
Wolverhampton.
Wolverhampton. What scout group do you support?
Who's Billbrook?
And how old are you, Matt?
19.
19. Well, if they're 20, you can keep on. What do you do? Is it college, school, job?
Transport controller.
A transport controller. Oh. And where do you control transport?
Tipton.
Tipton. You want you some glossy boys, you sure? What's your favourite colour?
Black.
Oh, black. Favourite food?
Chips.
Chips. Favourite television programme?
Neighbours.
Neighbours. I like Coronation Street. No, I like that one. No. What? No. What's your favourite football team?
Wolves.
Wolves. And have you got any hobbies? No. No hobbies. We don't do hobbies. Okay. Can you pick a colour? There's blue, mustard, or pink?
Mustard.
Mustard? Yeah. You've chosen tonight the blues. Okay? Now, all these questions I've just asked you, they are now going to turn into a song in the next 5 or 6 minutes and come back out and sing it to you, alright? It'll be all about you, in the style of the blues. So put the phone down now.
That's fine, yeah.
Yeah?
Bye.
Thank you, Matt. Bye. I'm doing a dollar pizza, right? He's going. So I'll just go back over here and hand this in now. Samantha?
Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to have to stop tonight's performance. There's somebody outside causing us an unholy problem. Apparently, somebody is in here with his wife. So if there's anybody in here with somebody else's wife, we'd like to offer you a quick getaway across the stage. Oh.